Namaste, I am Priya. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make Malpua with rabdi. It is a sweet dish and very unique. So let's start the recipe. For this recipe we need for the Malpua we have 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, half a cup of dry mawa, 1.5 cup of whole milk, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, pinch of cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. First I am going to boil the milk until it becomes half. For this, heat a pan on medium heat. Now put the milk. Now stir it continuously and boil it until it becomes half of the volume. It's about 15 minutes. The milk is boiling. It has been reduced to half of the original volume. Now switch off the heat and let it cool down. To prepare the Malpua mix, take a bowl, put the dry mawa in it, add the warm milk that we had boiled. Now mix it. Now add the all-purpose flour or maida little by little. Then mix it. Mix it properly so that no lumps would be there. If you think the mix is too thick, then add a little warm water or warm milk. The Malpua mix is ready. The consistency should be like this. Add a pinch of cardamom powder, then mix it. Add a pinch of baking powder. And fennel seed. Mix it properly. The Malpua mix is ready. For the sugar syrup, we have 2.5 cup of plain water, 1 cup of sugar and pinch of cardamom powder. Boil the water in the pot on medium heat. Then add the sugar. Now stir it continuously. Boil it till one thread. Now we will fry the Malpua. My oil is hot on medium heat. To taste whether the oil is ready to fry or not, put a little mix in it. If it pops off immediately, then the oil is ready. Now we are going to fry the Malpua. Put a spoon of Malpua mix in the oil. Now turn the Malpua to the other side. Fry it until golden brown. Malpua looks golden brown. Now take out the Malpua into a plate. Sugar syrup is ready. Now add the cardamom powder and mix it. To know the sugar syrup is ready, take the drop of sugar syrup. If you see a thread, Then sugar syrup is done. I have fried all the malpua. Now put the malpua in the syrup one by one. For the rabidi, we have 2½ cup of whole milk, pinch of saffron, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Heat a pan on medium heat. Now put the milk. Let it boil on medium heat for around 15 minutes. Stir it time to time and keep an eye on it. Otherwise it may overflow. It's been boiling about half an hour. It has been reduced to half of its original volume. Now add the sugar and mix it, and add the saffron and mix it. The rabidi for the malpua is ready. Let it cool down a little. Now take the rabidi in a bowl. Here I have the malpua. I have already soaked it in the sugar syrup. Now put 1 malpua and serve it. The malpua with rabidi is ready. It looks yummy. Try it at your home and share your comments on priyasrasai.com. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon. Bye bye.